What's up, peeps? Let's get into some cryptocurrency news. For starters, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just to help with research.
Is it just me, or do you also find it funny how when prices of Bitcoin and all the altcoins were up here, everyone was complaining about how they wish they got in at a lower price. They wish that they could have bought their favorite altcoin or even Bitcoin itself at a lower price. Well, ta-da! Your wish has been granted. Prices dropped. And now everybody's scared. Nobody knows what to do. Everybody wants to stay away from the market. No one wants to buy. Guys, long term, things will pick back up. All right. Right now, either stay on the sidelines and hodl what you currently have, or buy in at a lower price. Things will pick back up. All right. Trust me, bro. Listen, now, right now, today, Bitcoin actually had a very good day. Looking at the weekly, it looks like it's going to try to retest this previous high of 60,000 within the next few weeks, but who knows? But as you can see today, looking at the daily, Bitcoin had a green day, and hopefully the trend will continue and prices can start picking back up and momentum can come back into the market. Now, guys, a wise man once said, if it looks like a duck, swims like a duck, and quacks like a duck, then guess what? It's probably a duck. Get it? So today, we're going to be talking about a duck, but it's not the duck that you think about. Today is December 22nd, 2021, and we're going to get this crypto money. The coin that we will talk about is a coin called Rich Quack. Right here is an article. Everything that I discussed in this video, I will put a link to it. This article pretty much gives a good description about the project. What's the Quack coin about? The Quack token is Rich Quack's native coin, a deflationary token that operates on the Binance Smart Chain. Deflationary tokens decrease in supply over time, making them more valuable. Typically, the total supply is supposed to decrease by a certain amount every year, so within a few years, the token can become significantly more valuable. The total supply is shortened by burning tokens, sending the coin to a defunct crypto wallet address. Other deflationary cryptocurrencies include Bitcoin, Ripple, and Binance Coin. Alright, so overall, this project is pretty much self-explanatory. A deflationary, community-driven project that decreases in supply over time, and that ultimately increases its value. So, guys, anything that you're investing in crypto, only invest what you're willing to lose. All right, there are no guarantees in crypto, but as long as you do your research and make sure to invest only what you're willing to lose and not use your rent money, your phone bill money, money that you're going to need right away, and you're willing to be patient, it will pay off over time. All right. So there's no guarantees, but the bigger the risk, the bigger the reward. This is a new project that is growing in momentum. It's high risk, but high reward. So I'll put a link to this article. You guys can read the entire thing. Now, this is another good article. I'm not going to actually go through it, but it's actually an interview with the founder of Rich Quack. So I'll put a link to it and you guys can actually read what the interview is about. So one of the questions they asked is, what makes Rich Quack stand out from its competitors in the crypto ecosystem? The core team, we have worked together previously in building multi-million-dollar businesses that are still thriving and growing. We also provide a range of branding, marketing, advisory to real-world brands to grow from zero to hero. So being a seasoned team and business vets, we are very confident that we can bring all that knowledge and experience to bring more value to the table. So this article is actually back in July 12, 2021, and the author of this article is actually her. This is her Twitter page, so it's a legit author that interviewed the founder. So now, Rich Quack, also known as richquack.com, is currently ranked at number 395 on CoinMarketCap. Its price is currently at 0.00000000282, and it's been up 1.59% in the past 24 hours. Volume is currently at 3 million. And this right here is the circulating supply, and it's verified data. That is very important. That makes it stand out. It has verified circulating supply. The market cap is currently at 124 million. Now, when you look at the chart, as you can see, this project was pretty much looking like a dead project, moving sideways for months. Publicly available from June, going just moving sideways, looking like a dead project, looking like a dead project, looking like a dead project. But like I said before, patience pays off, and price started going up. Unfortunately, as you know, a lot of FUD came into the market, and altcoins, Bitcoin, a lot of things tanked. So prices went down. But this project right here, not financial advice, it looks like based on what its previous performance was before the crash, it looks like a project that you could potentially pick up and look into for the future that can possibly grow in price. Keep in mind, it's ranked number 395, verified data. That is amazing for a brand new project that hasn't been out that long. It came out end of June. Now, its all-time high was actually back on November 17, 2021 at 0.0000211, but that was actually just that big spike that happened. Congratulations to whoever was able to catch that big spike and was able to have sell orders ready that were able to sell. You made a big gain right there. Now, who knows in the future if prices will get to this level, but so far this project looks like it has a bright future ahead of it. Now, exchanges that it's on, you have Gate.io, MEXC, PancakeSwap, LBank, you have Bitmart, Hotbit, all these other exchanges. Now, it's also on 1.4 million watch lists. Guys, look at the watch list amount. That is crazy right there. That is a lot. Wow. I am impressed. Now, we're looking at the Twitter page. So always look at the Twitter page, the Reddit, the Telegram, the Discord. Google the projects, try to Google the founders, find out as much information as you can about any project that you're looking into investing in, especially the Twitter page, because you want to make sure that you're not investing in a dead project. So as you're looking at the Twitter page right now, you can see that they have tweets from 55 minutes ago. You have tweets from 10 hours ago, 13 hours ago, 12 hours ago, 18 hours ago. So overall, the team is very active on Twitter and giving updates about latest developments and newest listings. So as you can see, this tweet was actually an AMA that they had with MEXC. So the team is putting in work. Now, looking at the BSC scan, you can see that currently there's 109,643 addresses. These are current wallets and hodlers that currently own this token. Now, this is the website right here. Rich Quack, and Quack we trust. Hyper-deflationary, self-generating automatic liquidity that pays out static rewards to holders. Simply hold Quack in your wallet and you will get more on every transaction. So this is the website. Also, that the Mega Quack pot. That is very cool. So all hodlers will be able to win Mega Quack pot. The more Quack you have, the bigger chance to win. They have also a little LOTTO feature going on. So far so good. This is the roadmap, things that they've accomplished. So they've already accomplished, like I showed you previously, they've already got listed on Bitmart. So this is Q4 2021. Some of the accomplishments. It looks like it needs to be updated because I know for a fact that some of these they've accomplished already. So far, so good. Now, this is the Reddit page. The Reddit page currently has 8.1 thousand members. Always check out the Reddit page of whatever project that you're trying to invest in. That is the community. They are the ones that help promote the projects. They are the ones that buy the dips. They are the ones that give latest updates that you may not be able to quickly find on Twitter. You can also ask some questions about things that you're having in terms of how to buy the project, if you're having issues with your wallet and stuff like that. They're always willing to help. So always check out the Reddit page. As you can see, very active. You have posts from 9 hours ago, 17 hours ago, 16 hours ago, a day ago, a day ago. So overall, the Reddit page is active. There is a strong community that is growing, that is behind this project. Now, this is actually the LinkedIn page for the founder. I guess you have to be friends with him to be able to see more details about his information. He doesn't really have his picture, but he is Ben Quack. So co-founder of Rich Quack from May 2021. I'll put a link to it. Maybe you guys can send him a friend request and check him out. Now, say you were to invest $100 into Rich Quack. This is how much Rich Quack that you would get right now at its current price. Guys, disclaimer. I'm not saying that this project will reach these calculations that I'm about to show you right away. Yes, it might take a few years, but these are potential prices, all right? So this is how much you would get if you were to invest $100 using the converter in CoinMarketCap. So if you're looking at these calculations, so current price, it would be worth $100. If it dropped 1 0, that $100 would be worth 1,000. 2 zeros, it'll be worth 10,000. 3 zeros, 100,000. Listen, I'm not saying that it's gonna drop 3 zeros and you're gonna make 100,000, but anything is possible in crypto. And long term, in the next few years, as more money flows into crypto, as the market caps increase, $1 billion, $10 billion market cap in the next few years, that's going to be considered small compared to now. Even $100 billion market cap is going to be considered small compared to now. I'm talking about in the next few years, long term. Now, I'm not saying it's going to drop 3 zeros right away. No, I'm not saying that. But it can possibly happen. Listen, you saw what happened with Shiba Inu, all right? I'm not saying this is the next Shiba Inu, but anything is possible in crypto. Now, back to the Rich Quack. So, let's just say, being conservative, let's just say that it were to reach a market cap of, since it's ranked high at 395 and it's on 1.4 million people's watch list, so there's a lot of eyes on this project. And as it gets listed on more exchanges, volume is going to increase and more momentum comes back into the market, price will increase. So being conservative, let's just say that it were to reach a market cap of 2 billion, all right? 2 billion divided by $124 million market cap. That's a rough estimate. That would be essentially around 16x from your current investment. So if you were to invest $100, you would make about 1.6K. That is very good. And of course, it can surpass a $2 billion market cap. It could possibly be lower. It could surprise everybody and reach a $30 billion market cap, especially in the next few years as more money flows into crypto. A $2 billion market cap is going to be the same value right now as a $124 million market cap. guys, think long term. Just make sure that you invest in projects that are going to be around in the long term in the next few years. So, last but not least, quick technical analysis. Looking at the chart, these purple lines are levels of support and resistance. As you can see, price pretty much has been going down since November. And of course, with Bitcoin and all the FUD that's been hitting the market lately, there's no Santa rally that was expected. There's no $100,000 Bitcoin. A lot of people have been losing interest. People have been selling. Prices of all altcoins have been just dropping. Portfolios have been red. Things have not been looking good. But patience, diamond hands always win in the end. So it looks like price has found a level of support. For the past few days, has been trying to consolidate around this level. So, with that being said, the next major level of resistance for it to break is around right here. And can that happen? Of course, especially as momentum comes back into the market and as we start off the new year. Guys, this project is currently ranked at 395. It's on 1.4 million people's watch list. The circulating supply, a lot of these coins with all these zeros do not have verified circulating supply. There's a legit team behind this project, legit community behind this project. Not financial advice, only invest what you're willing to lose. The bigger the risk, the bigger the reward. But this right here, this project looks like it has a strong potential, all right? This team looks like they're not playing about race Quack, all right? Quack like a duck, walk like a duck, swim like a duck, talk like a duck, whatever you want to call it. Rich Quack is not playing around, right? Not financial advice, but this is one of those projects that I recommend that you guys look into. And with that being said, I am out.